Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get Halloween hats for free on Among Us game. So let's start. First open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to general. Now tap on date and time. Make sure you have disabled set automatically. Now you have set the date to 25th October 2018. When you are done, close the settings app. Now open the Among Us app. Now enter a game. Now here you will see that you'll get all the Halloween hats for free. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.